Hey guys, it's Alyssa, in-house model and e-commerce assistant here at Ali Fashion. Today I'm going to be showing you my top 8 style hacks. So if you want to see how these hacks can change your life, keep on watching. So that were my top 8 style hacks. Comment down below if you've tried any of these. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and click subscribe for more fashion related content. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.